Hey guys, my name is Ashik. Welcome back to another Vector Ink tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to design T+C+B logo as requested by. Now open Vector Ink. Now double click on the shape tool. And select rectangle shape, and draw a rectangle like this. Click on Transform tool. And I will adjust the width and height. And I will duplicate it. And rotate it like this, and I will place the shape over here. Now duplicate it, and I will place it over here, and I will resize it. Now I will select this shape. Click on Shape Builder tool. After enabling joint mode, draw a shape like this. Now to draw a letter C, click on Shape tool, and select Circle Shape. Draw a circle like this, click on Transform, and set the circle size to 150. And place the circle like this. Duplicate the circle, and go to Transform. And set the width and height to 100. Place this circle at the center of outer circle. Now select this rectangle shape and duplicate it, rotate it like this. And extend its one end like this, place it over here. Now select Shapes. Go to Shape Builder tool. Enable joint mode, draw a shape like this. After selecting the shape, click on Transform tool. Now we will draw a letter B. Select this rectangle shape, and duplicate it, and rotate it like this. Place it over here. Go to Shapes tool and select Circle Shape, and draw a circle like this. And set the width and height to 80. And place it over here. Duplicate this circle once again, place it over here. Select the shape. Go to Shape Builder tool. Enable joint mode. Draw a shape like this. After drawing the shapes, click on Transform. So guys, we have done designing T+C+B Logo. So guys, what should I design next? Comment below your ideas or suggestions. So guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up and share it with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.